In this video, we're going to have some fun with booleans. So to begin with, let's just explain what's going on here. We're using the Quoka extension and the code runner extension to make it so that I don't have to leave VS Code to check in DevTools or anything like that. Everything is happening here. So let's start. First, I'm going to define a bool variable, and that's going to invoke Math.random and check if Math.random is greater than 0.5, which will return a boolean of true or false. Next, let's just console log this boolean's value, and this time we are randomly getting a true, which means that the call to Math.random was greater than 0.5. Okay, so there's many different things you can do with this. So let's do another very interesting thing, and that is we're defining a new random bool custom return variable, and we're basically using a ternary operator here. If this expression returns true, we want to return the letter T, and if it returns false, we want to return the letter F. So let's test it out, and this time we're getting a false from the console logging the value of random bool custom return variable. Finally, let's define the itIsTrue function and the itIsFalse function. And here, once we have these two functions defined, we can replace these hard-coded strings of T and F and instead invoke functions. So basically what we have here now is rand_bool_func call function, variable. That is the result of running a ternary expression on Math.random greater than 0.5. So if this is true, it's going to invoke the itIsTrue function, and if this is false, it's going to run the itIsFalse function. Finally, let's test it out. So first, and this is one of the Quoka features, if I do this, it's going to run the first line of code and console log the value of the bool variable. It's also doing the same on line 5. So we can test that it is indeed returning either true or false. And finally, as you can see, the engine is running on all of these. So here we are getting the it is absolutely false or it is true indeed. There are many different other little neat tricks that you can do with booleans, mathematical operators, and ternary expressions in JS, but let's keep it simple and wrap this video up for now.